Now consider this quartic curve. The gradient at the origin is 0. As we move along the curve, we see that the gradient is increasing. Now when we reach the red point, the gradient has increased to 2.078. As we move further along the curve, we see that the gradient is now decreasing again. At the maximum point, the gradient of course will become 0. As we continue along the curve, the gradient now becomes negative, so it's decreasing further. Now the least value of the gradient is at this point, which is negative 2.078. And from this point onwards, the gradient is increasing again. Gradient is 0 at the minimum again, and continues into the positives, as before. So just recapping, all the way along here, the gradient was actually increasing up to this level here, to this point here. This is the first point of inflection. Then the gradient started to decrease, become 0, go into the negatives, and get to this point here, and then the gradient started to increase again around here. Now this means that between these 2 points of inflection, the curve was concave down. And on the left-hand side of this point, the curve was concave up. And on the right-hand side of this point, the curve was concave up as well.